Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 7 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great week, folks. April 12th. You're going to love it. Be impeccable with your word. Manifest your true intentions. Regardless of what language you speak, your intent will be manifested through the word. What you dream, what you feel, and what you really are will be manifested through what you say each and every day. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 108, NASDAQ off 74, S&P's down 7. You really get a sideways market out here with light volume, folks. We'll see what the catalyst is going to be for either buying and or selling. Gold contract down $14.50, trading at $17.30 an ounce. You got silver up 52 cents at $24.80 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 23 cents, $59.56 a barrel. Notes and bonds. The 10-year down 2 ticks, trading 131.21. 30-year off 4 ticks at 156.12. And King Dollar. King Dollar's flat at 92.164. Euros at 119. Yen's at 109.43, and the British pound's at 137 to 1 U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Well, bottom line, folks, is that you have a market at highs. My take is that we're going to get some kind of a small pullback here. You know, we'll see where this shakes out. On Friday, you got a nice surge, actually higher. Volumes are still contracting in a big way. And what you're also seeing out here is that the price spread is also contracting. That sets up a pullback. We take a look at the NDX 100, the 3 Qs set up the same way. Right now the 3 Qs are down $1. If we go into the NDX 100, it's going to be intriguing watching this because what you're going to see, NVIDIA is on a tear, and this is a monster number, folks. NVIDIA right now is up 6%. It's up $34. But listen to this number, man. This is pretty amazing. NVIDIA came out, and they were announcing where they're going with this. They announced that at their annual investor day that the first quarter revenue for fiscal 2020 is tracking above its outlook, and you're talking about, look at this, $5.3 billion in the first quarter in 90 days. Just to give you an idea, if we pull up NVIDIA, now it hasn't broken its highs yet. It's going 614. Yeah, well, 614.89 is the high. We went to 613.09. But if you want to see something that fundamentally is pretty intense, here you go. So they're going to do $5.2 billion in a quarter. And if we look back to 2020, of all of 2020, they did $10.9 billion. So you're talking about a monster acceleration in sales. They're growing by 36% on a 3-year basis in the United States. They're growing 16.8% throughout the world. You're talking about a monster number here. And what is intriguing, and this is why I'm bringing this up, because we know that the chips can bring the NDX 100 up and they can bring them down. And what we have out here today, the chips are moving, but yet there's still an underlying selling inside of the NDX 100. The move is on the way up. NVIDIA's number 1. Tesla's number 2, 3.4% up. You have I don't even know, a pace car is up 1.75. Now, taken away from it, you're going to see some bigger numbers here. This is really intriguing because it's really intriguing in the aspect of, okay, is it an NVIDIA that has taken everyone else's pie? Because watch what happens here. You got AMD is down 5%. $4. Xilinx is off 4.6%, and Intel is off 4.5%. Let's go to Intel first because in NVIDIA's case, they are going after Intel. And what you have with Intel out here, Intel got to a high of $68.48, sold down. And if we put this on a weekly, you're going to see the first time up, this is going to be hard to take it out anyway. The bottom line is that this came back up to pre-COVID, exactly to pre-COVID, meaning price point out here, $69. Last week we hit $68.40. Bottom line, though, guess what? This is backing down right now, and we'll see how far it's going to back down. Let me go to AMD also. I'll take a look at this. So you get AMD backing down $420. This is set up This is set up to go to the bottom of its range, man. The bottom of the range right now is 74. And what was was one more chip company in there? Which was it? Xilinx. Okay, so Xilinx is down 4.6%. Look at that. Yeah. The bottom line is that NVIDIA's taking market share, man. That's the real bottom line. Xilinx right now is trading 123 and 113 is game. So this is going to get pretty intriguing in the context of where these markets want to go, meaning the chip markets. Let's go take a look at some of the higher volume equities out here today. You got Apple down $1.80. Nuance Communications getting bought out by Microsoft. That's up $7.25. And that, the low for the year was $16, the high 53. Big number there. There's no doubt about that. Whoops, 1 second. You have AMC is off 76 cents. That's trading $8.5. You got Plug Power down 314. I'm going to go back to that for a second. Viacom, that hasn't. Let's see if that's hit that high volume low yet. That high volume low is 39 something. 39.81. Look at this, and we've hit 39.87. Just let it hit it, folks. That's the bottom line. It's not there yet because. You want Viacom to get into that number, no doubt. Uber Technologies. So check this out. Uber's up $1.82 right now. And we take a look at Uber. This is going to get intriguing with Uber because you're talking about, look at the reports, record month. Okay, so check this out. Uber Technologies said gross bookings last month were the highest in the year. As vaccination rates increase across the U.S., the company's mobility unit, which handles ride-hailing, passed $30 billion in analyzed gross bookings run rate in March. Uber said in a securities filing Monday, average daily bookings rose 9% in February. Uber's delivery service grew more than 150% from the year earlier, crossing the $52 billion annualized run rate in March. The bottom line, what's going to get intriguing with Uber, folks, is this. It seems I haven't been using the ride sharing at all, and I used to use it quite a bit, just haven't had to use it. But my understanding is that the pricing structure has gone up dramatically, meaning that they're quicker on the surges. So we'll see where this baby shakes out. But Uber does have a high volume high at 64. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.